Ever feel like your traditional bank account is stuck in the slow lane? Long lines, hidden fees, and a feeling of being disconnected from your money? Yeah, us too. That's why so many people are switching to challenger banks like Vivid. But with all the excitement of a new financial app, a crucial question pops up: how do you actually get your money in there? Buckle up, because in this video, we'll break down every single way to deposit funds into your Vivid account, making it a breeze to manage your finances on the go. Deposit methods. Alright, let's dive into the different ways you can fuel your Vivid account. Classic bank transfer. This is a familiar option for most. You can initiate a transfer from your traditional bank account directly to Vivid. Just make sure you have your Vivid account number and routing number handy. Transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days, so plan accordingly. Instant deposit, available with some partner banks feeling impatient? With instant deposit, linked to certain partner banks, you can zap funds into your Vivid account in a flash, usually within minutes. Check the Vivid app to see if your bank is on the list for this speedy service. Mobile check deposit. Snap a picture of your check with your phone's camera, and voila! Funds get deposited into your Vivid account. Processing times for checks can vary, but it's generally faster than traditional bank transfers. P2P transfers. Need a quick top-up from a friend? Peer-to-peer transfers between Vivid accounts are instant and free. Just make sure your friend also rocks a Vivid account for this seamless exchange. Funding limits and fees. Now, before you go on a depositing frenzy, let's talk about limits and fees. Vivid offers generous deposit limits, which you can easily find within the app. However, some banks may have their own transfer limitations, so keep that in mind. As for fees, Vivid prides itself on being transparent. Generally, there are no fees associated with depositing funds into your account. However, there might be charges from your external bank for outgoing transfers, so double-check with them to be safe. Bonus tip: scheduled transfers. Staying on top of your finances is key. To avoid any budgeting bumps, consider setting up scheduled transfers from your traditional bank account to Vivid. This way, you can automate the process and ensure a consistent flow of funds into your digital wallet. Wrap up. There you have it. With these methods at your disposal, depositing money into your Vivid account becomes a breeze. Remember, Vivid is all about giving you control and flexibility over your finances. So ditch the frustration and embrace the future of finance with Vivid. Call to action. If you're ready to ditch the traditional banking blues and join the Vivid revolution, download the app today. We've got a special bonus waiting for new users. Mention any relevant sign-up promo if applicable. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome financial tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.